Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn voice with storytelling frameworks, full guide step by step clearly. First, begin by identifying your core message. What are the key points you want to share with your audience? Next, consider your target audience. Who do you want to reach with your content? Understanding your audience will shape your storytelling approach. Now, brainstorm a list of experiences that reflect your journey. These can be professional achievements, challenges, or pivotal moments. Select a storytelling framework that resonates with your message. The hero's journey is a popular choice and emphasizes transformation. Another effective framework is the problem-solution benefits model. Once you've chosen a framework, outline your story. Ensure it has a clear beginning, middle, and end. Start with an engaging hook to draw in your audience. This could be a question, a bold statement, or an intriguing fact. As you develop the middle of your story, present challenges you faced. Highlight the lessons learned along the way. Include specific examples to add authenticity to your narrative. In the concluding section, summarize the key takeaways. Emphasize how your experiences can benefit others. Now, draft your LinkedIn post using your outline. Keep your language clear and professional. Make sure to infuse your unique voice into the text. After drafting, review your content for clarity and conciseness. Edit out any jargon that may confuse your audience. Consider adding visual elements to enhance your post. A relevant image or video can significantly increase engagement. Finally, share your post and encourage feedback. Engage with your audience through comments and discussions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.